Adding a gift card to your Temu account allows you to redeem its value for purchases on the platform. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to add a gift card to Temu. Log into your Temu account. Visit the Temu website or open the Temu mobile app and log into your account. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or account icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Select Gift Cards. From the account menu, select the Gift Cards option. This is where you can add or manage your gift cards. Add gift card. Click on the Add Gift Card button. Enter gift card code. A field will appear prompting you to enter the gift card code. Carefully input the code provided on your physical or digital gift card. Verify and apply. Once you've entered the gift card code, click Apply or Redeem. Temu will validate the code and apply the gift card value to your account. Confirmation. After successfully redeeming the gift card, a confirmation message will appear indicating the remaining balance or full redemption. Use gift card balance. You can now use the balance from your gift card for purchases on Temu. During checkout, the available gift card balance will be automatically applied.